Hi, this is Travis Decker from the Mexico Android Developers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can contribute to our open source project via GitHub. This video is assuming you already have a GitHub account as well as Android Studio or IntelliJ, depending on which project you're working on. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to the New Mexico Android Developers GitHub repository page. We're going to contribute to the client application, which is an Android application. Here you can see what's already in the repository. So I'm going to click fork and choose, I have multiple accounts here, so I'm going to choose my personal account to fork this to. Now, once this is done, you'll see that it's created a copy of what's already in the existing repository and saved a copy as a repository in your account. The next thing to do is click clone or download and save this HTTPS URL to your clipboard and hop over to Android Studio. Check out project from version control and select Git. Copy the URL into this space here and make sure the directory that you're saving in is in the correct directory, because this will be creating a Git repository. And select clone. Now it's saying, would you like to open the project you checked out? Yes. Once Android Studio is open, you can go through the project directory here and see what's already existing in the project. Now from here, make your changes or whatever contributions you'd like to make. In this example, we'll just be adding a comment line here. You'll want to commit and push this to your repository. Commit and push. Push. Once your contributions have been pushed to GitHub, hop on over to GitHub again. Added comment was our latest commit. Great. So now I'm going to go to the New Mexico Android Developers repository for this project. I'm going to select New Pull Request. And here I'm going to compare across forks because our project is in a forked repository. And you're going to be merging into whichever branch. In this case, we're working on master, but normally that won't be the case. You'll also be selecting the branch that you're merging from and selecting your version of the project. This one here, Travis Decker /NM. Once you get those selected, it'll tell you whether or not there will be any merge conflicts or anything like that. Here you can add a comment so the New Mexico Android developers or whoever you're contributing to knows what you've done. And then from here you can select create pull request, or you can also save this as a draft pull request. But we're going to create a pull request. Again, it's going to check for any merge conflicts, and once that's done, you can add further comments. But that's pretty much it. From there, someone on the other end, one of the organizers of the NM Devs group, will look over your pull request and make sure that it's appropriate or works for what they're trying to do, and then hopefully that gets merged. Thanks for your time, and I hope this was helpful.